yarn. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you up and about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting deep like we're on our own ride. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. Now you're long gone, and I know time flies by so fast. Still I'm thinking of you. Do you remember still how we used to run? Fields were roaring. You said maybe it's love. It sure as hell was. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting deep like we're on our own ride. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. But now you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. You know you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so moved on. But still I hear that song. It lingers on. Yeah, it lingers on. Now you're long gone. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting deep like we're on our own ride. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. But now you're long,
Let me show you a simple way I use to remove a stain on the carpet. Here I'm spraying where the stain is, and as you can see, the stain is fading away, and after using like a cloth, the stain disappears completely. So it actually does a very good job. Here I'm spraying the bathroom with a bathroom spray, and I'll leave it there for probably 30 minutes, and then I'll come later and give it a very good scrub.